Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are well. So in today's video I want to quickly show you guys how I detangle my hair. As you can see, my hair is really tangled and I just took out my braidless crochet braids and this is what it looks like. I already did one part of the hair, so I'm just going to move over to the other side. So the first thing I like to do is to spray warm water on my hair. And I just massage the water into my hair to make it soft. So this comb right here is one comb that I can't do without when it comes to my natural hair. I love to use this part of it to detangle my hair first before going over it with this other comb. So I put my hair together like this. And then I use this side of the comb to detangle the tip of my hair. And also this side as well. So right now that I've succeeded in detangling the tip of my hair, I'm going to split it into two sections.
Look back, move that, way you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that, enter the radar, now you they mash up the place, enter the radar, if you are watching me radar, the only special one for me, now you be the only one I see, anywhere I go I wanna be.
So right now my hair is fully detangled. I'm going to twist the hair because I'm actually preparing to wash my hair right now. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side of the hair, which is this one. So guys, I'm about to do my lazy day hair wash routine and I'm going to post that video as well. Please don't forget to check it out, and also don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.